Hello and welcome to Crochetsmash. I'm going to make spirals today. These ones are already made. So I'm going to use my white yarn and the blue yarn. I'm going to make the two color spirals. So I'm going to start with a magic circle. Magic circle is like take the yarn, put it over, then insert the hook, pull up a loop. Now you have a loop on your hook, and now chain one. In the beginning, I'm going to make one double crochet. Okay, we make two double crochet, one half double crochet, and two double crochet. Now just pull this loop up. Now we are going to use the blue yarn. I am going to do the same like before. Grab the yarn, pull it up. Now I have one loop on the hook. Now I am going to make a chain. Then I'm going to make one double crochet, one single crochet, and one more single crochet. Then a half double crochet. Half double crochet is yarn over hook. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, then pull up and grab the yarn again. Pull through all the three loops on the hook. For the double crochet, again yarn over the hook, insert the yarn into the magic circle, bring the yarn up, grab the yarn again, pull through two loops. Now you have two more loops. Grab the yarn, pull through the next two loops. Then do that one more time, one more double crochet. You're done with this row. So now I am going to pull up the magic circle tight. Now we got the yin and yang like that. Now I'm going to get that white yarn on the hook, and I'm going to do two double crochet onto the blue stitches. Two, then again two double crochet into the next stitch till we come to here. Then the next one, second blue stitch, we top it off with the white. The third one also we top it off with the white. Two double crochet on the third blue stitch, one and two. Now we are going to stop the white there, so pull the loop up. Then we are going to go to work with the blue, so tighten that one on the hook. We are going to work on top of the white color. We want to make a spiral, so we are going to do double crochets, two double crochets. Let me see if it is laying out flat. Yes, I'm going to do two more double crochet to the next. We're going to do up to here, then we change doing with white. and there is one more, so it is again 2 double crochet, and I am done with the blue. You can continue going like this, or I'm kind of going to end this one right. Not ruffling up, not too many stitches, so can go to make 1 2 1. I'm going to end with 1, then I'm going to end with 1 more slip stitch over here. Okay, lock that one in place.